Today I am making some tuna pasta salad. I'm going to start by adding some water in a pot on the stove, and I'm going to add a teaspoon salt and a tablespoon cooking oil. The cooking oil prevents the pasta from sticking together throughout the cooking process. I'm going to add my pasta and allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes.
My body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. Get you out of my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. My heart, my mind, my body.
Now that my pasta is cooked, I am going to remove and immerse in cold water just to stop the cooking process. Now I am going to add my mixed vegetable tuna and onion to my bowl and just combine everything together just to mix it before I add my other ingredients. Now that everything is combined, I'm going to add a quarter cup mayonnaise, and I'm going to add a tablespoon mustard and a teaspoon lime juice or lemon juice, whichever works for you. I am also going to add some black pepper and salt to taste. Then I'm just going to combine everything. And that's basically it on how to make some simple and easy tuna pasta salad the real way. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, leave a comment as usual, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and until next time, stay safe.